Django-rest-framework cache headers. I'm trying to cache some of my DRF API calls in a CDN. I need the following headers cache control: public, max age equals XXXX. This is pretty easy when you're using traditional Django templating. You just add the @cache_page, @cache_control, public equals true, decorators, but for DRF, I can't find anything similar. There's quite a bit about an MEM caches, which I already have up, but I'd really like to get the CDN to take that load off my server altogether. I'd like to cache the resulting query set. I'm also using model view sets if that matters for anything.
@method_decorator can be applied to the view class. When provided with a name argument, it will wrap that named method in instances of that class. What you want is something along the lines of
Did you try?
It seems that Django.views.decorators.cache was deprecated after Django 3.2, although I wasn't able to confirm the exact version of deprecation, not even in Django's deprecation timeline. This makes Tomchuk's answer obsolete as of November 2023. A possible alternative, with similar usage, is to implement a middleware that leverages the Django.utils.cache.patch_cache_control and attach it to the view using one of Django utils.decorators.decorator_from_middleware, _with_args. Note that, as in Tomchuk answer, we still need to use method_decorator to turn a function decorator into a class decorator. Note also that the decorators decorator_from_middleware, _with_args expect a middleware that's compatible with the old style of Django 1.9 and earlier, having methods like process_request, process_exception, and process_response. More information about different styles of middleware can be found here.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.